In this video, I'm going to show you how to take in a pair of boots. For this project, you're going to need clips, a leather sewing needle, which you can see is quite a bit thicker than a regular sewing needle, measuring tape, and thread. We're going to put the boot on and then place clips along the back seam until we like the way it fits. We're doing all these adjustments on the outside of the boot. And here's what it looks like with one side clipped. It's not a massive difference, but I really prefer the tighter fit. Now we're going to take our measuring tape and measure exactly where the clip was placed, so how far down the boot and how far in the clip was placed. Using that measurement, we're going to flip the boot and place the clip on the inside. It's important here that the top is lining up completely flat. And then you're going to continue to place the pins on the rest of the seam. And we're going to use the exact same measurements for the other boot. Then once everything's all clipped, we're ready to move to our sewing machine. I'm going to start sewing from the top to make sure that those two edges lie completely equal. When sewing thicker fabrics, it's important to make good use of your hand wheel. I decided not to sew all the way down the boot and kept my seam in a dart-like shape. And then I finished off by going over the top seam a few more times. And here, so you can see the difference, I have one side sewn and one side left as the original. And you're all done. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked this video, please subscribe.